Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Vontae Bombay, like always, and we're back in with another video, another food review. One of the guys in the comment section of my last video, I reviewed Raising Cane's when I was in Florida. That was pretty good. I gave that an 8.5 or something like that. Probably deserve a 9, you know, everything. I mean, probably deserves a 10 because everything was good, so why give it an 8, you know what I'm saying? But we're back, and we got Dave's Hot Chicken. Back in my city, Charlotte, baby. Dave's Hot Chicken is what we're rolling with. I got the number 3, where you get the slider, and you get the tender. So we're going to review this. We're going to start easy with the tender. I want one mild because I don't want to... I'm a fan of spicy, but not crazy spicy where I don't enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. We got the spicy tender right here. You get a tender and you get a slider with the French fries and coleslaw. Enough talking. Let's get into it. I know I forgot something. I meant to ask for honey packets. And right off the back, this is a good tender. Thick, nice and juicy. It's hot, it's fresh. Mild, like I asked for. I taste a little sweetness to it. Can't really explain it. It's a little salty, but not too salty. Let me dip it in the sauce, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I'm gonna throw the pickle with it. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. The flavor is, you know, just regular seasoning, you know? Salt. It tastes like season all. It tastes like the season all stuff. They just, you know, covered it with that. Let's try fry. I was gonna get the mac and cheese too. I had everything set out what I was gonna order. I was gonna do a shake too, but once I got up to the register, I froze, man. I froze. But I don't know, man. It's right now it's mid, but we're gonna try this slider. I guess this is what they're known for. I'm gonna try my best not to get this on my clean hoodie. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this bag, put it over my hoodie. You know what I'm saying? There's a slider full of pickles, slaw. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what it's hitting for. Yeah, man, it's a good tasting chicken sandwich. It's some good chicken. It's nothing crazy though. when I hear people talk about Dave's Hot Chicken, you know, they talk like it's one of the best spots out, you know what I'm saying, to get chicken. And honestly, I'm not picking this over Raising Cane's. I'm not picking this over Chick-fil-A. I don't know if I'm picking this over Zaxby's, bro. But this could just be a bad day for them. And then again, it's not bad. It don't taste bad. It's just, I feel like I could have whipped this up at home. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. It's average. And there's nothing wrong with average. Don't let nobody tell you that. There's nothing wrong with average. Average is acceptable. I don't even want to try this coleslaw. You know, I can look at it and tell it's the coleslaw that I wouldn't mess with. You know what I'm saying? I don't even have a spoon. But it looks dry. It looks like grass. Like somebody scraped it up in their garden. So, Dave's Hot Chicken. You guys get an average score of a 6. That is average in my book. Not bad. Also not scrumdiddlyumptious. Nothing I'm gonna go crazy for. So there you go. But yeah. Raising Cane's reigns supreme as far as those two go. But get in the comment section, guys. Get active and let me know what you want me to review next. And by the way, this was my first time trying Dave's Hot Chicken. I forgot to mention that. It was my first time, and it was whatever. So get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next. Not react to, but, you know, review. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Bombay's out, bro.